peer review this morning on camp. How was it?
It was windy at the beginning, but it was a beautiful night with the stars. Very nice.
Nice. Mum, how are you feeling this morning? Yeah, I'm good this morning, and camp was good last night. Nice fire. Do you know where we're off to today?
Not really sure. Some satellite dish, maybe. Tenterfield?
Some satellite dish. I didn't hear about that. Where are we going today?
Well, go to Tenterfield first.
Yep.
See some paperbark tree, I think it was.
Mum just said it was a satellite dish.
Oh, satellite dish. Yeah, that's
I
parks.
feel like that's parks. We're a bit away from parks.
Yeah. No more.
That's it.
No more comment.
That's all you've got.
Yeah.
No worries. Alright, well, the Toyota was ready before us this morning, Stuart.
They cheated.
They cheated. How did they cheat?
They just did.
They utilised our materials, that's why.
Oh, is it?
Utilised our materials.
Why would we cheat?
I don't know why we
Why?
cheated.
Well, how did we cheat? What did we do this morning?
They have to be cheating, otherwise we have to win all fun.
So Dad was in charge of finding somewhere adventurous this morning, and he found a tree. It's called the cork tree. I will spin it around for you. Not a bad tree, Dad. Good job.
What time is it? Is it pub lunch time now?
By the time I get meat, it would be.
We got
Mark 11.
Let's just go find the info centre.
Get a sticker! At the Telegraph pub in Tenterfield. We all had schnitzels. How was your schnitzel?
Mine was really good.
What'd you have?
I had a chicken palmy.
How was it?
It was awesome.
What would you rate your palmy?
Good.
Good? Rate out of 10?
Yep.
Yeah.
How did you rate Tizz's?
Good.
Mine was a bit burnt. Anyway.
The info centre's down that way. Are you able to walk?
I can't walk, gotta drive it. found the satellite dish you were talking about this morning. Just over there. Oh wait. That way. That's the one that we wanted to show you this morning.
There you go.
Yeah, there
Awesome.
was one.
Found one.
Mowing the lawn, I guess. New way to mow the lawn. He's an idiot. Just stop there. I don't know. He's just being a goose. You can go across the river, but I don't know how deep it is. Oh God. It's on 40 psi on soft sand. Day 7.
Hi.
And we are at Gunflat Campground. Where's Stu?
On the Guida River.
Guida River. How many k's out of Moree?
25.
About 25 k's out of Moree. Headed west today. Mum, how was your day in the car?
Good. Long day.
What do you think of the weather?
Weather was really windy when we left, but it's really nice here now. Look at the weather.
Just looking. Wow, look at around that. Look at that. Dad, check out the sunset behind you.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, look at that.
Very nice.
That's so good.
Okay, nice.
Anyway, you had a bit of you're a bit worried about camp this afternoon, weren't you, with the wind?
Oh, it wasn't looking good.
It wasn't looking good, was it?
Very, very windy.
Yeah.
And it was like 10, 11 degrees over the mountains.
Yeah.
And I thought, shit, this is going to be shit day.
Your nice hat too, Dad.
Yeah.
Couldn't
Got
help.
2 battle scars already.
What happened there?
Show
me. Put your head down. No, tilt your head down.
You see it?
Ah, yes. Does that person's name start with S
Yes.
and then ends with T?
Yeah.
Mm.